Peace and blessings, soul family, back again with another one. So this one's a little different. This one's an unboxing. You see the box all up in here. It's an unboxing. I just got my self-care package for the virtual event, October 19th. It's a coming together of two worlds. My sister Danny from Aroma Buds and Blossom. She will be teaching essential oil and aromatherapy, and of course, I will be integrating that with meditation. So it's going to be a dope virtual event. I'll leave all the details in the description of the video. October 19th. Just mark your calendars down. I'm gonna jump into this box and see what she sent, because the box is pretty chunky, it's pretty heavy. So right off the top, all the amber glass. So the kit is set up, I guess, to have everything that's needed for you to start your own, whether you want to use aromatherapy for your own self-care or even for your family or your clients. So we have little bottles here. We have some jojoba oil. I know this is good. I use this for carrier oils and things like that, and even for my hair a little bit if you need that. Let me see. I have some roll bottles, some little roller bottles. Danny, hook this up. This is the essential oil. So we have some chamomile. What else we got in here? Neroli. We got some lavender, some rose, absolute, I guess Bulgaria, and last but not least, some frankincense. So we got the essential oils, we got the carrier oil. Look at this. We got some more ointment, makeup jars. What is this? Some scent sticks, smelling sticks. She even put in a diffuser. Get your own aroma diffuser. Got little bottles, little carry around bottles. And this is detox fragrance free pure active Dead Sea minerals. So Dead Sea minerals as well. I guess it's for taking baths and all that. So look, safe to say the package was loaded, everything that you need to begin your aromatherapy, whether you want to use it for yourself, for your clients, for your family. The self-care package is equipped with everything. So take advantage of it. We got an exclusive code that's in the video description. There's a limited number of seats that are left, but definitely wanted to bring it to your attention. October 19th is the date. Save the date. Mark your calendars. Get ready. Aromatherapy, meditation together. I thank you. I appreciate you. I catch you on another one. Ashe.
Good day, beloved. So there you have it. You saw it from our very own Andre Davis of Akashic Living. The self-care package that you'll get in our exclusive October 19th, 2024 event. Yes, you will receive a special self-care package in the mail at your doorstep when you register. And as he mentioned, there is a discount code. There's very limited seats. We want to keep it intimate. We want to keep it in a way where everybody feels comforted, everybody feels supported, and we're going to have a small, intimate group of wonderful professionals, individuals who want to have self-care, learn how about using aromatherapy for themselves, for their family, and for their clients, exclusively for social workers and counselors. However, if you're interested in having a similar dynamic for your group or organization or anything that you may belong to, reach out to us and we'll look into doing that for you. But this event is for our social workers and counselors. Again, save the date, mark your calendars, October 19th, 2024. Registration. We need your registration by October 5th. Reason being, we need to be able to get you supplies to you. So at the time that class occurs, you'll be ready to go. And you already seen what you're going to get. So we are planning to show up and over deliver and give you an experience that is absolutely phenomenal, intimate, and for you to enjoy. And just if you haven't seen our recent video or recap about it, I'll share a little bit more here. Now, here's what you'll get. So again, the event is when? October 19th, 2024 at 2 p.m. EST. That's Eastern Standard Time. You are going to get the course. You are getting the course at the Aroma Buds and Blossoms beginner's price. So this is a professional level course that we are offering, right? And you can see right here, you can go to learn.aromabudsandblossoms.com. I'll also leave a link in the description. Click on the business link to register for the class and use the code that we have, okay? So you see the code here. And so when you sign up for the professional level course, you're getting it at the beginner's price. And it includes everything that you saw that Brother Andre of Akashic Living shared with you. And he will be there in his full force and his wonderful way. He brings meditation to you. So you have your meditation, you have your aromatherapy, you're getting the course at a phenomenal price. We can't guarantee that that's going to be the price moving forward for sure. So in addition to expertise from me and Brother Andre, you're going to get a complimentary supplies, as you saw, and unlimited access to the course materials. The course materials are online, so when you register, you automatically have access, but we're inviting you to come to the virtual event where we're going to be doing step by step everything in the online course for the professionals. You will have for you that day presented to you. And trust me, once you leave the course, you will have enough information and foundation to equip you to not only help yourself in your practice and to refer to your clients. So don't wait, okay? Again, and this as a bonus, I want to point this out. When you register, you have an opportunity, if this appeals to you, to be an affiliate. You will get a 10% affiliate link bonus. Okay, so 10% of the course at the time someone registers using your link. Once you have registered for the course, you'll get your own special link that you can access and share with individuals. And those who register, you will get a 10% cut bonus blessing of the course that they registered for. So something to keep in mind, right? I'm all about sharing the love, okay? So not only the knowledge, but the love as well. So as Brother Andre mentioned, you saw all the supplies. We encourage you to register today at learn.aromabudsandblossoms.com. The link is in the description, and we look forward to seeing you. So until next time, beloveds, bye-bye for now. And if you have any questions, definitely feel free to reach out to us, and we'll leave our information in the description. God bless you, and we love you. Bye-bye for now.
Chat as well. And for today, there is an exclusive opportunity that Danny is running. Danny and I are running as well, where we'll be combining meditation with aromatherapy. It's going to be a virtual course, a virtual experience for people to firsthand have that one-on-one experience, if you will, of learning how to create different types of applications of essential oil and combining it with your meditation practice. And so if you're a person who's just maybe starting out with meditation, I'll be able to walk you through kind of the ins and outs, the science behind meditation, understanding what mantras are, understanding how you can actually structure a ritual, a daily practice for your meditation, and also, of course, integrating aromatherapy into it. So it's a very exciting opportunity. Chat as well. And for today,